Hello, I'm Arnav and welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to review the book The 39 Clues Beyond the Grave. So I got this book yesterday and it was so wonderful. I read it overnight. This is one of the best books I have ever read. I got it from Amazon at for 600 rupees, which I think is a bit much for this book because its previous versions like the swatches were only 300. I don't have them right now, but I'll make a review on them soon too. So the story, I'll just read the back page. Betrayed by their cousins, abandoned by their uncle, and with only the slimmest hint to guide them. 14-year-old Amy Cahill and her younger brother Dan rush off to Egypt on the hunt for the 39 clues that lead to a source of an unimaginable power. But when they arrive, Amy and Dan get something completely unexpected, a message from their lost grandmother, Grace. Did Grace set out to help the two orphans, or are Amy and Dan heading for the most devastating betrayal of them all? That was basically the story on the back page. So my personal review is that the plot of this book can sometimes get obvious, pretty obvious, and sometimes it's very thriller. The book story changes every page. That's what I love about it. It's a classic, not exactly a classic, but it definitely deserves a place in the classics like the Brothers Grimm or Harry Potter. When I got this book from Amazon, it was not in a very good conditions. There were fingerprints all over it, and it was dirty, and it even had someone else's name written on it. But I didn't mind that after I read the story. This was one of the best books I've ever read. Let me just read you my favorite page. That night, Amy couldn't sleep. Images collided in her head. Temples and toads, crocodiles and lions, Ian Cabra's dark eyes, and a flashing smile. The squeeze of the panic she felt in the airport as the crowd closed in. Her brother's narrow, intent face. The way he pushed through the crowd to get her. The old couple, the woman looking down into her tote bag, light glinting on the silver woman's ring. Sleep was dragging her down, and right before she slipped into it, she saw Grace's face smiling at her and saying, "Trust people, but keep your money in your sock." So that was my favorite part of the book, and I think that's it for the review of the 39 Clues book 4 Beyond the Grave. I also received 6 game cards inside, which is very good. This included some of Irina Spassky and Dan Cahill. So that's it for my thoughts about the 39 Clues Beyond the Grave. It's a really slim book, so I didn't have that much to say about it. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.